Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to add multiple accounts, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. Just select settings and privacy. Now scroll down and look for the option of switch account. Just tap on switch account option and here you have to tap on add account option. So once you have tapped on add account, you will get a login or sign up page. Here you just have to sign up or log in into your TikTok account. If you already have an account, just select login option below and then you have to try to log in with your account. So once you have logged in, you can easily switch between your accounts using this option here. So you can add up to 5 accounts at a time into your TikTok app. So in this way, you can easily add multiple accounts to your TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.